Welcome to channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the 8 purple foods for healthier eyes. 8 purple foods that are very beneficial for your eyes. Number 1 is blueberries. Blueberries rich in antioxidants. They help improve vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, age-related macular degeneration. The next is blackberries. Blackberries high in anthocyanins. They support eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degenerations. We are discussing the 8 purple foods for healthier eyes. 8 foods that are very healthy and beneficial for your eyes. Blueberries, blackberries. The next food is purple grapes. Purple grapes contain resveratrol and quercetin, which may reduce the risk of cataracts and promote overall eye health. Purple grapes are very beneficial and purple fruits for healthier eyes, beneficial for your eyes. Resveratrol and quercetin in purple grapes, very beneficial for your eyes. Blackberries, blueberries, and purple grapes. The next is eggplant. Next food is eggplant. Eggplant contain nasonin. Eggplant contain nasonin, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from damage caused by the radicals, free radicals. Nasonin, very important antioxidant present in eggplant, which is beneficial for eye health, for healthier eyes. The next is purple cabbage. Purple cabbage, high in vitamin C and anthocyanins. It supports eye health and reduces the risk of cataracts. Purple cabbage, easily available food, very beneficial for eyes. Purple cabbage. Eggplants are very beneficial and healthier for your eyes. Today we are discussing the 8 purple fruits for eye health, for healthier eyes, beneficial for your eyes. We are discussing the blueberries, blackberries, eggplant, purple cabbage. Eggplants easily available superfood for stronger and healthier eyes. Reduce cataracts and AMD, age-related macular degeneration. Eggplants. The next is purple sweet potatoes, purple foods, purple sweet potatoes, packed with antioxidants. They protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, and cataracts and AMD, age-related macular degenerations diseases. purple sweet potatoes, easily available food which is very beneficial and healthier for your eyes. The next is plums. Plums, rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. Plums contain vitamin C and other antioxidants. They promote eye health and may reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD, age-related macular degeneration diseases. Plums, easily available and very beneficial superfood for eye health. Plums, very delicious superfood and healthier food and very important for your eye health. Next is purple carrot. Purple carrots rich in beta carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, essential for good vision, reduce cataracts and AMD, age-related macular degeneration. Purple carrots, easily available superfood. Today we are discussing the 8 purple foods which are very beneficial for your eyes and make your eyes healthy. Watch my channel Passion Food and Health. Thank you very much.